Hello and welcome to the new video. In this video, we are gonna tell about nail polish has always been a staple in the world of beauty and self-expression. It's a small detail that can make a big difference in your overall look and confidence. In the world of style and grooming, nail art has gained recognition as a powerful way to make a statement. Nail designs allow individuals to express their personality, style, and creativity. They can showcase who you are and what you look without saying a word. Nail art offers a chance to break free from the ordinary and express your individuality, which can boost your confidence and make you feel empowered. Nail designs provide a canvas for artistic expression. You can experiment with colors, textures, and shapes, trying out different techniques like stamping, blending colors, and creating 3D designs. They work beautifully for holiday parties and fairy tale themed events. Metallic nail polishes are perfect for parties that call for a little extra glam. Shades like silver, gold, and rose gold can add a touch of luxury to overall look. Metallic nails work well for New Year's Eve parties, weddings, and any occasion where you want to sparkle and shine. These polishes can be worn on their own or used as accents for nail art designs. It exudes elegance, confidence, and a touch of sensuality, whether you are attending a formal gala or a romantic dinner. Red nails are a timeless choice that can complement any outfit.